Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited, even though today is March 4th, I think. I just got my February BoxyCharm in the mail. We moved in the middle of January and I stupidly forgot to update anything. So BoxyCharm finally made it to my new address. Yay! So yeah, let's get into the February BoxyCharm because I'm probably the last box you're clicking on at this point. We have our little card in here, which is really fun. We do have a deep exfoliating blackhead scrub from Tula Skincare. It's So Poreless, it's called. The bottle looks like this. I'm not going to try this out on camera because I use my cleanser in the shower. But this retails for $32, and I feel like this is something my husband's really gonna like. He likes to get in there. This, is a priming base. We will use that today. This is the Perfect Primer Perfect Base matte finish from Evo Beauty. I've never heard of them. It does have a safety seal, so that's nice. Sometimes they don't. Oh, and it's like a cream. Interesting. And it's kind of sticky. Okay, cool. Cool. Then the next thing I forgot to tell you, this retails for $23. The next thing in this is this cute little pocketbook purse that has a set of brushes in it from Glamier. These are nice brushes. Oh my gosh, look! They're so cute. Those are adorable. And they're little hearts. Oh, so sweet. I like those. Little, it looks like you have a shader brush, like a packing brush, an angled brush, and then like a flat liner brush. And this set retails for $29.95. I'm probably gonna pass this little pocket thing to my daughter Kennedy. She will really like that. The next thing that we have in this box is an eye duo from Tristique. I really love Tristique. I've used this mascara before and I really liked the mascara. I do find it a little gimmicky and bulky, kind of annoying. This eyelash, what is this called? Eyelash curler sucks. You can't get your full lash in it, and it like is kind of cheap and gimmicky. So honestly, I don't use it. But I do really like this mascara. It has a nice brush, and it's a really nice mascara. I like that. I liked that mascara. And then this is it's like in a gray. It's not like perfectly black, which is nice. I like that. It's a liner. So we will use those today. And that duo retails for $44. I don't know that I would pay $22 just for this eyeliner, but okay. The last thing in this box is this Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. It does have a really beautiful mirror in it. The kids are ringing the doorbell. And these are fun shades. Wow, they are bright. So we are going to create a look with these. My first choice is to gravitate to like these two and put this all over the lid. But maybe we'll do something with these instead. Just because I feel like I've been doing a lot of purples recently. So yeah, Ace Beauty, this palette that I used yesterday from Ace Beauty was really nice. So I'm excited. This will be pretty. I have to just swatch this Flip Flops shade. Wow. All right, so let's get into it. Let's try these on. I'm going to use my Super Fruits Day Gel. And then I'm going to go in with the priming base that we got in the box from Evo Beauty. I don't know how much oh, it's like glue. It legit feels like paste. I feel like I grabbed way too much. I am going to open up my new Ipkin Moist and Firm. Love that saying. In the shade Light. Interesting. I feel like maybe it's the primer because I've used this Ipkin before. But I feel like it's breaking apart, especially on my nose. So maybe I used too much of that priming base. Maybe it's like oil and water. I'm not sure, but I don't think I'll have to try that primer again with a different product. I mean, it's not awful. I just don't like the way it's looking around my nose. And I know it's not the foundation because I've used that foundation before. A little bit of L'Oreal for concealer. And then, where's my, did I bring that upstairs? I'll just use this today. This is the Pretty Vulgar powder room. Powder, pressed powder, not pressed. It's not a pressed powder. It's loose powder. I was so excited to sit down and film this BoxyCharm. I'm not even like talking. I'm just like, I want to use this eyeshadow palette. I'm like, let's get through the face stuff so that I can use this eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to use the Pacifica Desert Sunset bronzer and blush. My Thrive, is it Thrive? No, it's Juvia's Place, the Tribal Highlighter, not Thrive. I'm going to go into the shade Flip Flops right here. I'm sorry, this is the shade Flower. Now I'm going to take this Flip Flops shade because I can't resist it. I tried using that theme park and it was just that was dusty, a no-go. And I am going to pack that on. I'm gonna use my flower brush that I was using earlier and just blend those two together. I'm going to use my little brush that I have green all over, and I'm gonna go into the shade Picnic up here at the top, or in the middle, like dead center, and I'm gonna pop that on the outer and the inner. I'm going to take the shade Carnival on the little edge brush that we got and run that under the eyes. We got that. We got one of those. Let me grab it. Eyeliners. I was like, I don't even need an eyeliner, but then I was like, no wait, we got an eyeliner. I have to use it. I don't know where it went. I lost it. I lost it already. How? Did I already lose my eyeliner? The mascara is right here. Eyeliner. I'm going to take a little bit of my Ofra highlighter and glazed donut and hit the inner corners just because there was no like white shimmer shade in this. Ooh. Do I just want to put that all over the lid? Okay, I'm going to take the shade Heat on my pinky and just tap that in the center. No! Like that. Oh, that's pretty. And do the same to this one. Yeah, that's really pretty. Okay, and now I'm going to take a little bit of that glazed donut like I was saying and just blend the two. And I am going to take that packing brush that I got in the box. On the opposite side though, I'm going to take the shade Raspberry. It's just a little bit of a purpley mauve, and I'm going to dab that on the outer big fluffy blender and just drag those out so it's not harsh. Yeah. Cool. And then my lips are just really dry, so I'm gonna put some, keeping it smooth from Milani on. Just to feel better. Brush these brows. And then we're gonna go in with the mascara from Trestique that we also got in the box. I'm excited. Today I'm going to a holistic doctor for my Lyme's disease and a chiropractor. So I am excited about that. All right. And so there is the eye look with the Ace Beauty Nostalgia palette. It's really pretty. It's very bright. I don't think that this is anything crazy that I couldn't have created with, say, like this palette. The shades are different, yes. I don't think it would have been the exact same eye look, but would it have been similar? Probably. But is it this called the Nostalgia because it's all shades that we've had before? I'm not sure. But yeah, overall, for $21 or $25, I don't know how much they are anymore. I buy the yearly bundle. Not a bad deal. So this palette was $38.99. So yeah, that was my BoxyCharm. That was the look that I created with my BoxyCharm. I love BoxyCharms. I got BoxyLux, guys. So like in March, we're gonna open a BoxyLux instead. I'm so excited. And we got FabFitFun coming. We got lots of boxes coming for the channel. Keep tuned. If you like my kind of videos, if you like my style of videos, and you just like hearing me ramble, or you're bored and want to think, I don't know, if you think I'm funny, I don't know, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I really do enjoy uploading for you guys, and it does help me out when you like and share and comment and do all of those things with the algorithm. So do those things and we'll be friends. Bye.